Do you want to pin AI on Snapchat? You can pin my AI on Snapchat with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To pin AI on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Once you are on Snapchat, go to the chat list by tapping on the Friends tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you will see all the chats you have had conversations with before. Find my AI in the chat list. If it's not pinned, it will appear in the regular chat section. To pin my AI, long press on it. Now, a new pop-up screen with various options appears. From the pop-up screen, find and tap on Chat and Notification settings. Again, a new pop-up screen appears. From here, tap on Pin Conversation. Once you tap on it, my AI will now be pinned at the top of the screen for easy access.